Nah, GJ ain't ready. GJ, see, I thought GJ was gonna do something else. So look, I had GJ for divergence. You see what I'm saying? And it's still not too late. You see? Like, so let me tell you, like a lot of new people is not gonna get this. So look at this. This is a RSI, right? And do you see how the RSI is like going higher? But look at this. The indicator is going higher, but look at the market is going lower. So we got a conflict. Remember, the indicator was going like this. It was going higher. That's called divergence. See that? The indicator down there is going higher. We got to be patient though. We can't jump the gun on this. I might be able to scalp a bounce just like how it bounced right here. That was a bounce off the trend line. This was a bounce off the trend line. Now this is a little bit riskier though. I ain't gonna lie. Here's a bounce. Like, you got to time these perfectly. And the thing is though, if you're going to do something like this, you can't just say, oh, let me buy it because it's at the bottom. We don't know where the bottom is. We have to be skillful enough to find where the bottom is going to be. So I think I need to show y'all that, right? So this is how I do it. I'm going to drag this Fibonacci from the top. And you see how the red candle shot down? I'm going to drag it to the bottom. Now, I don't know if that's the bottom yet. When it breaks this green line right here, if it breaks this green line right here, that's my 23.6. I'm buying it. And I'm going to buy it up to the gold lines. So I'm going to go from the green. I'm going to go from green to white. And I'm going to be cautious after the white. Because it might go up to the gold line or it might turn around. So what it look like is this. I need to wait. Boom. As soon as it break that green line, I take a buy and I buy it up to the gold line potentially. Definitely to the white line. And that's a scalp trade. And that'll be my daily income. That might be $1,000. That might be $2,000, depending on how much it goes. And that depends on how much money you got in your account. You feel me? Not everybody got 100,000, 200,000. You know, some people got $500, $1,000 in their account. So it might be, you know, $5 for you, $500 for the next person. It just depends on what you got in your account. All right, you see how it's creeping up. So I don't know, you know what I mean? So we'll see. And that shot up with a straight green candle to this golden zone. So let's see what it does. Let's see how it react to this golden zone. And I only take 1 or 2 trades a day. That's it. And I'm done by like 10 o'clock in the morning. I've been up since 1 o'clock in the morning, marking up charts and just kind of monitoring it. I did go to sleep, but like I was like in and out, like keep looking at the chart, see where it's at. So I've been really grinding since 1 a.m. Wasn't nothing happening. So now I said, well, since ain't nothing happening during London session, it's probably going to start moving around New York. The GBPJPY, I saw it at divergence. It kept dropping lower, but I still saw that at some divergence on the RSI. So now these little red boxes on the screen is a fair value gap. So I'm trying to see how price is going to respect at this. It's right in between 2 fair value gaps. So you can see that little green candle right there. Oh, you got the watermark? Somebody said, look at the 4H. Yeah, so the 4H is telling us to pull back, but it could pull all the way back, or it could pull back a little bit to this golden zone and drop for us. Now, let me tell you about this. This 4 hour got this big wick, and it looked like it's about to go up. But we can get our pips before it goes up, or it could just go up right now. So that's what I'm trying to tell you. On this hour chart, I want to see how it's going to, for GBPJPY, I'm trying to see how is it going to respect this golden zone and its fair value gap. Because the 4 hour is, if I look at the 4 hour and just wait and wait for the 4 hour to tell me the entry, it'll be too late. It'll be too late. But the 1 hour is going to give me more information. But guess what? Whenever you wait for a pullback, it's always a wick. So that don't mean everything. If price is pulling back on the lower time frame, it's a wick on the higher time frame. It's always like that. The most important thing is we marking up these areas. We got to see how price react at these areas. So we waiting. All right, now listen, team. When I get off of this live, this is what I want y'all to do, because when I go live tomorrow, are y'all listening? When I go live tomorrow, I want y'all to tell me how y'all did. All right, because this is going to move. Potentially look for a buy with the right lot size. So what I'm trying to say is this. If it ends up breaking out, pulling back, take a little buy on there. I just want you to scalp it up to these wicks right here. Y'all see these wicks right there? Scalp it up to them wicks right there. All right, that's if it break and retest. It's potential. Do your own research when I'm gone, because I ain't going to be here to hold your hand like I did today. I ain't gonna be here. But if you don't know what to do and you don't feel comfortable, don't take the trade. Don't take the trade. Just wait for me to come back. Or if you want to take my trade setups, then holla at me on the Discord. The Discord is in my description below. All right, y'all, here is the results for GBP JPY. Listen, I'm on an hour chart. Already went through it already now. I'm just gonna go one more time. Whenever I saw the market started to trend like this, whenever you see that, just go to the RSI. I know you might not trade the RSI, but I'm telling you, it's worth looking for. Look how it's angling upward. The RSI is showing that the market is going up, but the market, the price action is going down. You feel me? So it's just worth looking for or looking at. And whenever I'm able to see divergence, this is the best wedge. I'm telling you. So I put a trend line at the top. And then there's the, let me see if I can make this bigger for y'all. There's the fair value gap. And this is what happened. Now, look, I didn't take all of this. So I'm not going to sit here and hold you. I'm not going to sit here and lie to you. I did not hold it up there. I didn't do it. You know what I'm saying? But the opportunity was there if that's your type of trading. I trade up into like the structure levels. So if I get in somewhere down here, I'm trading up to this point. I mean, that's a beautiful payday for me. You feel me? A beautiful payday. So I just want y'all to know, like, I profited. I hope that you profited as well. And I'm gonna say this one more time. Don't chase the money. Position yourself for it. You feel me? Don't chase the money. Be patient for the money. Position yourself. As the years goes on, I'm getting better and better and better at finding these pockets to get my daily income. Stop playing around and come trade with your boy. I'm going to lace you all the way up. You already know the deal. Hey, y'all, I appreciate y'all. Don't forget, we don't chase money. We don't, I'm going to say it again. We don't chase money. We position ourselves for it. And that's how we do it. And we're going to do that each and every day. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I am going live on Monday at 10 o'clock at night. I'm going live. That's like midnight rants with Jay Take Profits with Jay Wayne. You feel me? That ain't, we could talk trading. We can talk everything. We could talk how the NBA is rigged. You know what I'm saying? We could talk workouts. We could talk anything. I can help you with your Forex, anything. But that's more fun and that's more me. We just kicking it. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we down to business. Hey, Monday, I don't know what you're going to get from me on Monday. Hey, I can't. Hey, look, when you join me on live on Monday, I cannot promise you a civilized live stream like it was today. Today was a little bit civilized. I took that trade juice and got But on Monday, I cannot promise you a civilized live stream. We go crazy. All right, we go crazy. And Friday, I'm working on y'all see back there? That's my little studio back there. Don't mind that little ball. That's my kid's little bouncy ball. I got twins that's 5 years old, so you might see toys laying around. I'm just a family man, just like y'all. You feel me? I ain't nothing special. But I got my studio back there. So on Fridays, I'm gonna be recording music. So if y'all want to go live and we can record Forex songs together. I got new songs, by the way. I got like 12 songs. 12. I got 12 Forex songs that's gonna be released in next year. Not all together, but just one by one. So be looking out for that. Hey, don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. Let's make this money, baby. Peace.